If you need to access the memory or the hard drive of your HP Elitebook, this is an 8460p, it's quite simple. You turn the laptop over, you have a couple of clips on the side. So if you push the clip on the right hand side to one side, so you can see the red, the base of the laptop comes off, and the memory of the laptop will be here. You have two clips to hold it in place, and the hard drive is here. To access the hard drive, you can see you have a small arrow there. You push that in, you then have the hard drive in here, and you need a small Phillips crosshead screwdriver, and there are screws, 3 screws that you need to remove to be able to remove the tray.